they can see exactly what it is.
All right, here we go. Aaron Canner is about to eat a raw egg. Are we excited? Are we excited?
Yay!
Is this my birthday or is it because Nolan and Layla were good?
It's because they were good, but you know, you're alright too.
Okay. Alright, let's take a look. We got this?
Here we go.
We got this? You got the yolk? Okay.
One raw
Do you want to try it, Nolan?
Yeah, it's
Layla,
good.
you want to try it?
Good.
Make sure it's
I think you should do it for, wait a minute. Maybe Aaron should say that Nolan and Layla have to do it first before he does
No.
it. What do you think?
The video doesn't go that long.
You need this thing or what?
Okay, here
All
we
right.
go.
Ready?
5, 4, 3,
Watch,
2,
Layla.
1. Salud. L'chaim. Ah. Uh-oh.
Yay! He did it.
What do we say to Aaron? What do we say? Say thank you.
Is there a doctor in the house? Is there a doctor in the house? Nolan, check his pulse. Check his pulse, Nolan.
I don't know if this part should go on YouTube.
Open your mouth.
Nice pro wrestling move. I liked it.
You made it.
All right. Happy birthday to Scott.